Welcome to Tickle Your ROI, where we look at the marketing questions and challenges facing businesses and offer possible solutions and relevant insights. In this episode, we'll be looking at a critical issue facing many different types of business. Web optimization for local search is an important part of an effective digital marketing campaign and a vibrant online presence. We're going to go into detail about how to make your business stand out in local search results, how to make use of the online tools available to promote your business locally, and a few other tips and tricks along the way. Here's the bottom line up front. Website optimization for local search is a complex and multifaceted process. It involves identifying and making the best use out of local SEO terms and keywords, carefully constructed metadata within the website, establishing a presence on online mapping and business tools, and making the right use of social media vis-a-vis your website. Let's dig in and explore some of these issues and the questions they may raise for your business. Website optimization for local searches begins with good localized SEO. We've discussed SEO before, but for those of you just joining us, we'll give a quick recap. SEO stands for search engine optimization. This means ensuring that your website has the right design and content to catch the attention of search engines. The better your SEO is, the higher you'll appear on the list of search results. For brick-and-mortar businesses, franchises, and locally owned businesses of all types, SEO may be best used to focus on local search results in order to attract potential clients and customers in the right area to access their services. By localizing your SEO, you'll appear on search engine results for your local area. As an example, the owner of a gardening and landscaping supply business in Denver may want to appear in the results for search terms like topsoil Denver, Colorado, garden supplies Denver, or lawn care equipment Colorado. This is just a hypothetical example. Local search and local SEO have to be tailored to your business and locale in order to create a positive ROI. So when designing a local search SEO plan, one of the first steps is figuring out which search terms you'd like to appear in. Getting the best results may involve seeking out professional digital marketing services. However, just getting started involves doing the same kind of online marketing research that helped you start your business in the first place. Sometimes the right keywords can be obvious, as with the gardening supply example we just used. Think about what it is your business provides and what you'd search for if you were looking for similar services. Put those search terms into Google or DuckDuckGo and see if you get results similar to your business for an accessible way to start exploring local SEO. Your website providers like Squarespace or Wix may provide some basic SEO services, and you can use those to get an idea of basic high-quality search terms and then add geographical descriptors like the name of your town, city, or neighborhood, your region, or your state or province. Combining different terms is often the best way to ensure good local SEO results. So something like financial advisors in North Atlanta, Georgia, as an example. There are multiple search engines providing good results and widely used by various consumers. While we'll always encourage you to consider Bing, DuckDuckGo, and StartPage, the fact remains that the internet search landscape is dominated by Google. This is especially true when it comes to business searches and digital marketing for businesses, so we'll address some of the particular involved in local search results in Google now. Google's algorithm is always changing, so engaging professional help in keeping up with its evolution may be helpful. When you're getting started, however, there are a few fundamental things to bear in mind that are always necessary. As we've noted, local keywords are a must, and they must be employed correctly for local search success. Localized keywords for location, business description, and the city or region should all be incorporated into both your website's text and its meta content. The text content of your website is anything visible to the user, in other words, the written content that provides information or descriptions on the site itself. Meta content happens behind the scenes in the actual HTML code that the website is built from. In some browsers, you can view this code pretty easily by right-clicking on the site and selecting View Page Source. The HTML this reveals may look bewildering, but each line of code has a role to play in making the website happen. Meta tags fill a variety of functions, including setting the size and layout of the site, the apps and browsers for which it is optimized, and also describing what the site is about, what sort of content it contains, and who owns it. These last features are important for local search results because Google's search bots scan the meta tags to find out which search terms apply and how best to rank the site in search query results. Setting up meta descriptions requires detailed technical and SEO knowledge to maximize results. But even a basic description of what the site is about and where the business is makes a huge difference. Google does not function by keywords and meta tags alone. For best local search results, we'll need to make full use of some of the other tools that this tech giant offers. Google Business Profiles are a free and easy-to-manage tool for businesses to stake a claim to their digital territory and enhance their overall SEO. The first step in doing so is to go to the Google Business Profile page and claim your profile. You'll be asked to fill out relevant information like the name, location, and a brief description of your business. Don't try to pack these full of SEO, as trying to slip SEO terms into the business name or location could get you delisted. Use accurate and honest information, and be sure to list your hours, location, contact number, and website where asked. You can also populate your Google Business Profile with photos of your business, and we highly recommend you use quality photos that show all aspects of your business in their best light. Google Business Profiles also allow customers and clients to review your business, and building and cultivating a collection of positive reviews fuels good local SEO results for your business, as well as promoting good word-of-mouth advertising. The first step in building a base of good reviews is to ask your customers and clients for reviews. This can happen via social media, via follow-up emails, or in person, depending on what makes best sense for your business. Be advised that you may get negative reviews, and you'll want to respond to them promptly and politely. View negative reviews as a chance to show that you're engaged and that you care about the experience you offer to your clients and customers. This is an opportunity for growth, rather than an obstacle to be overcome. For either good or bad reviews, be sparing in using SEO keywords in your response. Overloading keywords can get your business delisted because Google assumes a bot is posting content. It can also alienate customers for the same reason. Overly formalized or SEO-rich reviews can sound artificial to human readers. The goal is to ensure that your business's Google reviews equal or exceed those of your local competitors. This includes both quantity and quality, meaning you'll want at least as many, if not more, individual reviews than your competition, and you'll want to be rated at least as high or higher on average within your overall reviews. Making this happen takes both diligence and time. You'll need to stay engaged with and in communication with your customers in order to support and encourage review creation. Then you'll need to stay on top of your reviews, responding to both positive and negative ones to increase your brand presence and expand your brand identity. It takes some work, but it's worth it because this is a great way to promote your business and enhance your space in local search results. Google Business Profiles and Google Reviews are lasting investments, which over a positive ROI for years to come if managed properly. This brings us to one of our perennial favorite topics here on Tickle Your ROI, namely the role of social media in digital marketing. In this case, we'll be shifting focus to the role that social media plays in building and maintaining your business's local search results and how social media works in conjunction with your website's SEO. Your social media should be easily accessible from your website and vice versa. This functions as a type of backlinking and helps establish the connection between your social media profiles and pages and your website. Google's search bots respond well to this, and they'll reward you in return with higher local search rankings. Your social media is also a great place to populate with strong SEO content. This can be written content in the text of a post, a blog entry, or the hashtags used within a post depending on the social media platform in question. It can also be visual content like photos or video. Video content in particular is increasingly important for both audience engagement and search engine results. Tickle Your ROI has some past episodes about visual content creation, and at the risk of self-promotion, we'd encourage you to listen to them for more details. Your social media is also a great place to connect with other businesses, local government, and community organizations. This helps promote your business and establish your place in the community. but it can also be a potent source of backlinking. Backlinking means having the URL to your website listed in as many relevant websites and outside social media posts as possible. By placing the link to your site in digital locations that are relevant to the local search terms you're using, you'll garner further attention from search engines like Google, as well as increasing your brand's overall visibility to the community around you. Local search engine results are part of both your digital marketing and your local marketing plans. And backlinking to local digital spaces is a great way to accomplish both at once. For our final point of discussion, we'd like to remind you that website optimization for local searches is an ongoing process, not a static one. The work is never finished, as all facets of local SEO require regular maintenance. This means ensuring that your site and social media have a regular supply of fresh content, that your keywords and meta tags are up to date, and that you're fully engaged with both your customer reviews and the community around you. It's a big investment of time and effort, but it's also a vital part of building your business and a huge source of ROI. While there's a lot more to be said about each of these topics, that's all the time we have for now. We hope the information we've offered here helps you build the website optimization you need to dominate your local search results and promote your business successfully. As with all aspects of the world of marketing, these questions are complex and always evolving, so we'll continue to explore it in future podcasts. Please click follow in order to receive notifications about upcoming episodes. In the meantime, if you have any further questions, visit our website at www.wahadesign.com, check out our social media, or reach out to us at info@wahadesign.com for questions, business queries, or topic suggestions. This has been Tickle Your ROI with Blake Baxendall, and we'll see you next time.